page layout is the way you would like your fields to show up on the user interface. There are certain standard page layouts available. Let's look at this standard page layout called account layout. So what you can see here is that there are certain actions which are set up on this particular page layout. You can add or remove these actions. Then you can define how your fields would look like on the page. Like the account owner is currently set up to the top. I want to change it. I want to put account name on the top. So it would come something like this. Then I want to add account source as well. So I can do that. I can add more sections as well. So I can give my section a name. So I'll say training section. I can give whatever name I want to give it. Then I can make this section available only on the edit page or only on the detail page or both. I can define whether this particular section can have one column or two columns. So one column would basically mean there could be you'll have just one single row of fields, and two column would have two rows, so something like this. Then the tab key order. So when a user would press the tab key on the keyboard, so how field highlight would move. You want to move it like 1, 2, 3, 4 in a Z format or in a inverted N format, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can define that. Most preferably it is the Z format. Let's go with that. So this is our new section, and I can add fields here or something like that. So all the fields that you would create, you can add to the page layout this way, and you can change the order of the section as well, and you can remove a particular section as well. So you can add certain blank spaces. So if to enhance the interface feel, you can add certain blank spaces to give it a better, right? Once you save it, and then this particular layout would change, and if you refresh it once, you can see it on the layout. So the difference, the account name has gone to the top and account owner is there. Please share your questions, thoughts and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.